Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, the 5th of October. 8th consecutive day without a drop of rain. The dry spell continues, but next week that might change. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from the campus of Auburn University. You can see Jordan-Hare Stadium off in the distance. Brilliantly blue October sky. Love it. That's downtown Haleyville in Winston County. And from Gadsden, overlooking the Coosa River. Check out the water vapor satellite imagery. Big, deep, cold trough out west. Mountain snows, unsettled weather there, but we've got ridging here, so it's pretty warm afternoon. Hey, check the visible satellite shot. This is great. Of course, the sky is cloudless, but I think it's cool how you can pick out the bodies of water. The water is warmer, so the shades are darker. You can pick out the Tennessee River, Smith Lake, Weiss Lake, Lake Logan Martin, Lake Martin. I mean, you can sit there and stare at that and just see a lot of things. That's always fascinating to me. But again, not a cloud in the sky. Temperatures this afternoon are mostly in the low and mid-80s. Those are 1 o'clock observations, so they'll be edging up a little bit in the next couple of hours. The warm spot at 1 o'clock was Montgomery at 84. Birmingham sitting at 80. And around the nation, pretty warm way up north. Look at those 80s surging up into the Dakotas and Minnesota, but back behind that cold trough, yeah, it's cold. And again, mountain snow for the Sierra Nevadas. Maybe some snow down into northern Arizona tomorrow night. Thunderstorms out west with the trough, but the east is dry as a bone, so pretty quiet. And there's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. And these guys have some rain up into South Alabama by that time, and it's possible. And notice the heavier rain over Florida. And we've got this broad tropical wave down there that wants to move up this way, and that could bring our next chance of rain by early next week, but the details pretty hard to nail down this far in advance. Tropics Philippe is the only system on the board in the middle of nowhere, and still hanging in there. Winds of 65 miles an hour. There's the track. It's forecast to be a minimal hurricane briefly tomorrow, and then it weakens into a subtropical storm up north over the North Atlantic. No threat to land. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Big, cold, upper low out west, ridging for the east. And that means another beautiful day. Bright sunshine here tomorrow. Highs probably in the mid-80s. The GFS, the NAM are showing 84. Friday, pretty much the same deal. 82, 83, 84, good supply of sunshine. There's Saturday starting off the weekend. A little moisture tries to creep into far south Alabama, but will stay dry here. Temperatures backing off a little bit. You notice that cool high over Chesapeake Bay. Highs around 80, maybe upper 70s. And we'll go to Sunday. Still dry, but yeah, we note that 1,008 millibar low that is over southern Florida. Let's watch that. We'll go to Monday of next week. And again, the core of the jet is way up north, and down below that kind of opens the door for maybe a little tropical wave. And again, it's an open wave coming up, and this run is clearly more aggressive with moisture return by Monday. Still, for the northern half of the state, looks mostly dry. And then Tuesday, the low is really near Atlanta, and we're on the dry side, and this has got the rain over the Carolinas, and, no big deal here. So this might hint maybe a shower late Monday or Monday night, but not much. Tuesday we stay dry, and Wednesday we're dry as the tropical wave lifts to the northeast. Well, let's check the European, shall we? This is Tuesday, and it's much wetter. The GFS was bone dry Tuesday. Well, the European is wet with a tropical wave a little farther west. So I think what we'll do is just kind of go with persistence. We'll leave Monday dry, call it partly sunny, bring in a chance of showers on Tuesday, and we'll refine that as we go along. But that certainly looks like our next chance of rain. We'll check the end of the forecast, 21st of October. Westerlies a little north of here, and a little tropical action in the Caribbean. Yeah, you can have tropical systems into deep October. We all know that. In fact, the season goes to the end of November. Now, major hurricanes are rare past mid-October, but they're possible, so we'll keep an eye on things. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.